Hello YouTube. Today I'll be showing you how to replace this dimmer switch with a brand new one. First thing I'm going to do is shut the power off from the breaker. Alright, next thing I'm going to do is take off the cover plate. Next I'm going to remove the switch held by these screws. Alright, I pulled the device out. Now I'm going to check to see if there's live power with this tester. Just put it like that. As you can see, it's not beeping, so there's no power. Now I'm going to go ahead and remove these wire nuts. Okay, we have two black wires and one ground. Now here's the new switch. Okay, I'm going to connect one black wire from the switch. I'm going to connect it to one of them coming out from the box. Then the same with the other one, and then with the green, it's going to go to this copper wire covered by the wire nuts that were provided, or if they're not provided, with yours. Alright, we got all our wires connected. Now I'm going to go ahead and push all these wires back into the box. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and mount the switch with the screw that came with the switch. Okay, we got our switch mounted to the electrical box. Now I'm going to go ahead and put my cover plate on. Alright, everything is mounted. Everything is wired. Now I'm going to go ahead and turn on the power from the breaker. Alright, we got power. And that's how you replace a dimmer switch. Thanks for watching, and if you guys have any questions, please feel free to comment.